How to cancel flight in booking.com. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can cancel flight here in booking.com, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. I must be clear with you because there's a certain criteria to also refund, because depending upon the flight and the airlines and the medium that you choose, the refund process could be a bit harder, but if you're lucky you'll find the option to cancel it easily. Also, remember that sometimes when you buy your own ticket, there are some boxes that allow you to get like a refund if you want to cancel it, or if perhaps there has been a problem with the airplane or a time schedule. But that boxes, when you check that boxes, probably the price is gonna be higher. So most of the people don't check those boxes because the price is gonna be higher. So when they try to cancel or to reschedule their flight, they are not able to do it because the process they did in booking doesn't allow them to do that. But just in case you have checked those boxes and all is right, you must go into your account, your profile. I'm going to click here and go into the second option, bookings and trips. There you're gonna find a list, not just of flights but also hotel reservations and so more. And there, if you find that in the list, at the end of that option you're gonna find three dots or the option to edit or cancel or reschedule your flight, and that's how you can do it. That's how you can cancel a flight in booking.com. Thanks for watching.